Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get Ford Supervan 4 in Forza Horizon 6. As you can see, I have this Ford Supervan 4 and I'm gonna show you how I got that. So there are two ways. The first way is through auction house. So for that, just go to buy and sell, go to auction house, search auctions, and here you need to select Ford. Once you do that, select the model Ford Supervan 4, and after you choose these filters, select confirm, and that way you will able to find all Supervan 4 in the auction. You need to bid on the one you like, and basically you just need to win Supervan 4 from the auction. Just like following this way, I got my Supervan 4. You can use the same way. And also there is this main way which you can also follow, like you just need to get yourself Supervan 3, which you can easily get from auto show. And once you have Supervan 3, you just need to pause the game, then go to cars tab, select cars mystery, and you just need to unlock this by using the available points. Right now I don't have enough points, but if you have, you can just simply upgrade it up to this point and you'll able to unlock yourself 2022 Ford Supervan 4. So yeah guys, these are two ways by which you can get yourself Ford Supervan 4 in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.